Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Nice. We're going to work on technique next time. Today we're just basically familiarizing you with the gun. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the Suburban Rifleman. We have a special guest with us today, my lovely wife, the Barishna, and we're taking a look at a few new pistols this evening. I'm mostly out here to do, maybe that's full, mostly out here to do familiarization. My wife bought her first pistol ever, the Beretta APX carry. She picked it out herself. She bought it herself, did the background check herself, and she's going to be getting a concealed carry permit. And this is not her first trip to the range. She's been out here before. Actually, not at this range, at another range. She's fired pistols before, but this is her first time shooting her own pistol that she's going to be using for carry. I'm also taking a look at Kel Tec P17. I just got this like 2 days ago. And I'm not out here to do in-depth looks at any of these guns tonight. We just came out here to do a little familiarization, and I thought I would film it while we were at it. So let's see how the Kel Tec P17 shoots. There we go. Brand new, first shots. There's a manual safety. Kel Tec seems to have been the first company in 100 years to have figured out how to do a double stack mag for 22 long rifle. This holds 16 rounds. I'm just going to put about 10 in here. Okay. Safety's on.
Safety's on?
Yes.
Oh, it's so light.
And you just flip this lever down. And the trigger is much lighter too than your Beretta, so be prepared for that.
Much more easier.
We can get you one of those, or you want that one?
No. I can get my own.
They're not expensive. They're very cheap. I just got this. Unfortunately, on Palmetto State Armory, they had a special on these like 3 weeks ago for $179. The regular price was $199. When I finally decided, when my lovely wife gave me permission, I didn't want to wait around for another sale, so I paid full price, $199. It's already gone up $20 in the last 2 weeks. However.
Oh yeah, he need to ask for every dollar.
And it's another $220, but even at $220, this pistol seems great. I know there were some teething problems with the first generation, particularly with Winchester ammo. Now, I was just shooting Federal High Velocity Hollow Point Bulk Pack. We're going to try shooting some Winchester Bulk Pack High Velocity. My understanding is that these latest P17s are much more forgiving with the Winchester ammo, so we'll see. Oopsie. No, I think it would be excellent for you to have one of these P17s. It's a great training tool. 22 ammo is a lot cheaper than 9mm. And it's just an easy gun to shoot. Let's see how it runs with these Winchester high velocity hollow points. This is a different brand.
Oh.
Those are Federal. These are Winchester. The early, again, as I said before, the earliest examples of the P17, which came out, I think, spring of 2020. It was right at the beginning of the, the whole
Disaster.
Yeah, the virus, which shall not be named, on YouTube. Hopefully you're not watching this on YouTube. Hopefully you're watching this on Rumble or Odyssey, but I do have a YouTube channel. And through careful curation of my channel, I've managed to keep it monetized. Right?
Oh,
Safety's off already.
okay. So should I just...
Yep, just slingshot it. Let it fly. Oh, good. Very good.
Did I?
Oh, yeah. Bullseye. Very good. You're keeping them all in the same. Definitely an easier pistol to shoot. You gotta pull it back and let it go. Keep your arms out straight. There you go. Focus on the front sight. That puts off quite a fireball.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You're flinching a little bit.
Yeah.
It's all right. That's why we train. It'll become easier and easier the more you do it. At combat range, though, those are all effective shots.
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Did I put any bullets on that
Yes.
circle?
Yeah.
For 9mm?
Yes. All right. Now we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to shoot at the tree here. And although I bought the Kel Tec primarily as like a woods pistol, a training gun, Kel Tec is marketing this as a concealed carry gun. It's very thin, and as you already saw my wife comment, it's very light. So I'm going to try shooting the tree here and see if 22 has enough to flip.
What tree are you talking about?
You see the pole with all the little metal flags? I'm going to see if I can flip those around. And then you can try it.
Okay.
Oh. It doesn't have quite enough energy to... Why am I not even hitting it now? Oh, there we go. So another new pistol I have here, I bought it actually the same night that my wife bought her Beretta, is my Glock 19X. This is not the first range trip for this pistol. We're shooting CCI Blazers, 115 grain full metal jackets. This is really basic plinking ammo, but it's very affordable. It's only, I think it's still only about $15 a box, so.
$15 a box? Holy moly.
What, you think that's expensive?
Oh, you can get a brand new shoes for that kind of money.
Not good ones. You can get brand new shoes that'll make your feet hurt. And I have an Olight Balder Mini on here. This one has a light and a green laser, but obviously I don't need that right at the moment. Looks like I need to work on that a little bit.
Oh yeah, looks like it.
Do you want to shoot the Glock, dear?
Yes.
Do you want to shoot at the tree or you want to shoot at the target?
I want to try that.
You want to aim high with this pistol. It seems like it's shooting a little low, so I was putting the front sight all the way at the top of those little plates.
Okay.
Now this is just like your Beretta APX, almost identical, except it's bigger. It's easier to control, but it doesn't have any manual safety or anything. All you got to do is slingshot the slide.
I did one! Woohoo! I think it was accident.
No, I think it's your technique coming along. Ooh! Nice.
Well, yeah, you're right. You need to be aim a little bit higher. But it's...
Now, if you want a pistol, it's really easy to shoot with.
Oh, how many pistols you have to see?
Last but not least, I have a real Beretta.
Okay.
This is the M9. This is why I didn't balk when my wife picked out her Beretta APX. The APX wasn't even on my radar, but I have a long history with Beretta. I wouldn't call myself a fanboy of anything, but I like Glocks very much, but I'm also a big Beretta fan. And nothing shoots as nicely as the Beretta 92.
It's what you have right now?
Yeah. I expect I will do a little bit better with this. The Army never should have done away with this pistol. You want to go with that one?
Mm-hmm. Oh, we dumped his box of bullets.
Yeah, we got rid of $15 very quickly.
Yeah, it's expensive fun.
Luckily, we have a lot of 9mm ammo at home. I'm not having to go out and spend $15 every time. Keep your arms out straight. All right, the next one's going to be much lighter. Oh, nice. Hit it. This one, I think you want to be kind of aiming at the bottom of the plate. Nice.
Oh, it's it. It's it.
You want more?
No. Let's go get some beer.
So that was just kind of an informal shooting session. Did you have fun?
Yes.
And we didn't really work too much on technique, but we had a good time. And so if anyone's interested in a more detailed review, well, certainly the Glock 19X and the Kel Tec P17 are going to get detailed reviews because those are my pistols. They're pretty new. If anyone wants a more detailed review of the Beretta APX, I'll be more than happy to do that. And
if I let you shoot.
If she lets me borrow it. And of course, the venerable M9. There's not an awful lot that I can say about this pistol that hasn't been said in a million other videos. But I did a lot of work, actually. This was a commercial M9. And a few years ago, when the Army got rid of all their surplus parts because they were transitioning to the M17 and the M18, I got all of the steel replacement parts to upgrade this commercial M9 to just about as close to a military M9 as you can get. So I would be happy to talk at great length about that, much to some of your chagrin. So when I do that, I hope to see each of you here then. Later, guys.
Bye-bye.